Hey there, we're working on the challenge for the printing page in Python Basics. This challenge asks us what will the code snippet print out, and then there are about 6 lines of code. We can go ahead and test through those, or just talk through them, trace the code, and see what we end up with. We start with z instantiated at 21. Then we do z equals z divided by 3, or the shorthand z divided equals 3. That will give us 7. 21 divided by 3 is 7. So now we have z is an integer, a float. Now we are multiplying that by 2.1 and saving the result back into z. That gives us 14.7. And then on line 4, we do indeed encounter our print statement, which will print z at its value at that point in time. In this case, that is 14.7, as we determined previously. We can go ahead and just test this code, and we can see that indeed we do get 14.7. There is a little bit of rounding error. That's the nature of doing mathematics on computers. But we can see that 14.7 is our actual answer here. And it does say in our answer rounded to 1 decimal point. And I put in 14.7. Sure enough, that's the solution. You have to be careful here, right? It asks what the code snippet will print out. And there are 2 lines of codes, lines 5 and line 6, right, that are executed, right, but they're executed after the print statement. So they have changed the value of z, right, but z is printed, right, for its value when the print statement is encountered. So I guess the lesson here is that everything always executes from top to bottom.